Here are the headlines moving markets today. Cronos Group announced that the $2.4 billion Canadian equity investment in Altria Group has closed. As previously announced, Altria's investment represents an approximate 45% ownership interest in Cronos Group, and Altria also has a warrant to acquire additional ownership in Cronos Group, which is exercisable over the next 4 years. If exercised in full today, the warrant would increase Altria's ownership in Cronos Group to approximately 55% and provide Cronos Group with additional proceeds of approximately $1.4 billion Canadian dollars. Green Growth Brands Inc. announced the issuance of shares of common stock for completed consulting services with JDS 43,000 Consulting LLC and TSB Consulting LLC. In exchange for the services rendered, the company has issued to JDS 924,000 Canadian dollars in GGB common shares and has issued 231,000 Canadian dollars in GGB common shares to TSB. The common shares for both agreements are subject to a lockup agreement for a period of 12 months from the effective date. The Supreme Cannabis Company has a new CFO. The company has appointed Mr. Nikhil Handa as the company's new Chief Financial Officer. Current Chief Financial Officer Dmitry Naumov will become the company's Vice President of Finance. Mr. Handa was most recently the VP of Finance at Well.ca, an online destination for health, wellness, beauty, and baby products. Plus Products Inc. has secured eligibility by the Depository Trust Company for its shares on the OTC. BlissCo Cannabis Corp. announced it has shipped its initial order to the British Columbia Liquor Distribution Branch. BCLDB's initial order includes a variety of whole flower products from BlissCo's collection. Chemesis International Inc. announced the appointment of Mr. Deepak Anand to its board of directors. Mr. Anand brings over 15 years of leadership in the health, charitable, and private sectors, where he has amassed a wealth of experience in regard to business development, strategy, and executive leadership. And that's your news for today.